Alright guys, so this is how you install and patch Vegas Pro 23. So, you first go to this website, I'll leave it in the description, and just click on New Magix Vegas Pro 23 patched .zip, and I will just download. Yeah. Once you've downloaded it, you're gonna go to your file explorer and then downloads, and you're just gonna right click on it and press extract all. If you have 7-zip, you can go to more 7-zip and then extract to New Magix Vegas Pro 23 patched. That's what I'm gonna do. So as you can see, it has been extracted as a folder. We're just gonna click that folder and you will see the files. As I well, no, well. So first, once you've installed, once you've extracted Magix Vegas Pro 23 patched folder, then you're gonna double click on the executable file. One of the executable files. If it says that, then yes, click yes. Then you're in the Vegas Pro 23 installation process. You're just gonna click on continue. Various deep learning models are optional. So I'm not even gonna try to do that. And as you can probably see, it's installing. Just wait for it. Wait for it to install, maybe. Okay, it opens extracting, and then you make it run. You just wait for it to extract. Select the language that we're using. If you only have 4 languages, in this case, we'll go to English. Because I installed Vegas Pro 14 in English. And then just wait. Yeah, you wait. You'll just wait for it. Or not. The installation has been completed successfully. Okay. If it says that, then you've officially installed the trial version of the Vegas Pro 23 version. Now I am going to show you how to patch it. You click on this executable file, say yes, click on next, and it'll probably be patched. If you wanna reset, then yeah. If you don't wanna reset, then no. You click on finalize and you go to the start menu and pin the thing into your desktop and just double click on it to see it works. Error -57. What? Huh? If it shows up with this error, then you may need to restart. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I am back. Now for real this time. We click on Vegas Pro 23.0, its icon, and just see it works. Install launcher. Oh my god! It works! So yeah, that's how you install Vegas Pro 23. Goodbye.